Hello everyone, I am Yashaswini. I am here to talk about the postgraduate psychology entrance examinations and the coaching program provided by Bodhita Psychological Services for the same. Firstly, let us understand what the postgraduate psychology entrance exam is. It is an entrance exam for students who wish to pursue a master's degree in psychology. This exam is conducted by various universities across the country and is designed to test the students' knowledge and understanding of various psychological concepts. Presenting herewith the top institutions offering PG psychology. It includes the Central University of Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Haryana, Punjab, South Bihar, Rajasthan, Delhi University, Banaras Hindu University, Jamia Milia Islamia, Pondicherry University, Rajiv Gandhi National Institute of Youth Development, University of Hyderabad, Indira Gandhi National Tribal University, Madhya Pradesh. These are the major central universities offering PG psychology, and the admission is based on the common university entrance test conducted by NTA. Next is other top institutions offering PG psychology, which conducts its own entrance examination or personal interview for the admission of the PG psychology program. It includes University of Madras, Bharatiyar University, Periyar University, Manipal Academy of Higher Education, Christ University, Amity University, Aligarh Muslim University, University of Allahabad, Calcutta, Gujarat Forensic Science University, Madras School of Social Work, Madras Women Christian College, Chennai, Presidency College, Chennai, PSG College of Arts and Science, Coimbatore, Bangalore University, Mysore University, and for specialization in counseling psychology, IIPR, Indian Institute of Psychology and Research, Bangalore, Avinash Lingam Institute of Home Science and Higher Education for Women in Coimbatore, Tata Institute of Social Science, Mumbai and Chennai campus are also providing PG psychology, which conducts its own entrance examination called PISNET. Talking about the CUET PG program 2023, it is a common entrance examination conducted by NTA for the admission into various universities and colleges in India. The 2023 CUET includes 142 central and other universities which provide PG in psychology. The NTA will be responsible for the registration and other procedures regarding the examination. It also will be hosting the answer keys, and it will release the scorecard for each individual participated in the examination. But the merit list will be prepared by the participating universities and institutions. The universities may also conduct some personal interview or counseling session on the basis of the scorecard of the CUET PG 2023. The registration for the same is extended till May 5th. Examination pattern for CUET PG. It is a computer-based test examination, and it includes 100 MCQs, which will be for the time period is 2 hours, and the 100 MCQs is divided into two parts, but 25 general questions plus 75 domain-specific knowledge questions. That is our psychology. All questions are mandatory to attempt, and the part A syllabus includes the language comprehension, verbal ability, general awareness, mathematical or quantitative ability, and analytical skill. Part will be B will be the psychology examination. The total marks that a candidate can achieve will be 400, and there will be a negative marking of 1 mark for each wrong answers. Coming to the syllabus for the psychology CUET PG, it includes the basics of what you learned in your undergraduation. It includes introduction to psychology, history of psychology, schools of psychology, biological basis of behavior, learning, memory, sensation and perception, emotion and motivation, intelligence, personality, psychological testing, lifespan development, abnormal and clinical psychology, statistics for psychology. That is, it includes all those subjects you have studied in your undergraduations as various papers. Coming to the top institutions offering PG psychology in Kerala, it includes Calicut University campus, Kerala University, Kannur University, Mahatma Gandhi University, Sri Shankaracharya University of Science, Kaladi. These are the major universities providing PG psychology, and the admission is based on the entrance exam conducted by each university. The colleges, the major topmost colleges are University College Thiruvananthapuram, Sri Achyutha Government College Kuttanallur, Prajodhi Niketan College, Farooq College, Little Flower Institute of Social Sciences and Health, Rajagiri College of Social Sciences, Government College for Women, Thiruvananthapuram, Loyola College of Social Science, Christ College, Fatima Mother National College, UC College, Alwa. Okay, these are the major top colleges that providing PG psychology, and the admission is based on the mark you have acquired in the undergraduation and various university. You can apply for the PG admission portal, PG CAP, centralized admission procedure. You can apply for the same. It's the college listed here includes the colleges coming under Calicut University as well as Mahatma Gandhi University also. As mentioned before, the major universities in Kerala has its own entrance examination. So the first one is CUCAT 2023 Calicut University Common Entrance Test, and the online registration is extended till 27th of April. The tentative date will be on the 18th of May, the examination date. The program here is MSc Applied Psychology in the university campus. The total intake is 30, and the eligibility is BA BSc Psychology with a minimum 50% in the part 3. That is, in your core subjects you have to acquire minimum 50%, then only you can attend the entrance examination. The rank list will be preparing based on the entrance examination mark only. The exam pattern includes 100 MCQs which each question carries 1 mark, and the time is 2 hours. For further details and sample question paper, you can visit the official website of Calicut University. Next is Kerala University entrance examination. The registration has ended yesterday, that is 20th April, and the tentative date is for the examination is 10th May, 10th to 14th May. The program name is MSc Applied Psychology, and the total seats available are 25. Eligibility is same as Calicut University BA BSc Psychology, and here the exam pattern will be 100 MCQs covering mainly the psychological part, psychology, subject knowledge, psychology, and there will be negative marks of 0.25 for each wrong answers. For further details, you can check their website. Next university is Shankaracharya University of Sanskrit, and here the program is MSc Psychology, and the intake is 25. Here the eligibility test, that is entrance examination, will be based on aptitude test as well as MCQs, the subject specific MCQs. So there will be descriptive question answering also. For details, you can visit their website. And another best university is Kannur University, and for Kannur University PG entrance examination, the online registration is till 30th May, so you can apply for the same. The program is MSc Clinical and Counseling Psychology. So those who want to pursue in the counseling field or clinical field as their career, you can go to this. And the intake is 22. And the eligibility is degree in psychology, and the examination here will be 50 questions, 50 objective type questions, that is MCQs, which will be covering psychology as well as the general awareness, and example mental ability, English comprehension, current affairs, and etc. The syllabus for the psychology and as well as the paper, general awareness, will be available in the website. Here each question carries 4 marks, and there will be negative marking for incorrect answers. 1 mark will be deducted for each incorrect answer. There is a question paper, sample question paper available in the website. You can check the same. Next is Mahatma Gandhi University Common Admission Test, CAT MGU 2023. The registration is till 2nd of May, and the entrance examination date is tentative is 21st May. The program here is MSc Psychology, and there is 16 seats available, and the eligibility is just BA BSc Psychology and 50% marks in part 3. The question paper pattern here is 80 MCQs with which will be four choices for each question, and there will be no negative marking here for the incorrect answers. So please note which all universities have a negative marking as well, and which do not have that pattern. So that please note that, and for further details you can visit the MG University website. Now coming to the coaching program provided by Bodhita Psychological Services. This coaching program is specifically designed to help students prepare for the postgraduate psychology entrance exam. The program includes a comprehensive study material, online lectures, and doubt clearing sessions. The study material provided by Bodhita Psychological Services covers all the topics and concepts that are likely to appear in the entrance exam. The online lectures are delivered by experienced faculty members who have a strong background in psychology. These lectures are designed to help students understand the concepts in a simplified manner and clear any doubts they may have. In addition to this, the coaching program also includes doubt clearing sessions where students can interact with their faculty members and clarify any doubts they may have. These doubt clearing sessions are conducted regularly and provide students with the opportunity to discuss their doubts and difficulties in understanding specific concepts. If you are a student who wishes to pursue a master's degree in psychology, then the postgraduate psychology entrance examination is a crucial step in your journey. And the coaching program provided by Bodhita Psychological Services can help you prepare for this exam in a comprehensive and effective manner. Thank you. All the best.